Welcome to the Perfect Painter Tool Review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Here we have the new Q1 M12 Rocket Light deal. $169 with the free 6 amp hour battery. I'll show you a clip of a receipt coming up here shortly. Now this was on sale for $129 for this Rocket Light over the holiday. It was on sale for a few months, for a long time. With this here, you're going to get a free 6 amp hour battery. Now if you want to hack it, you can return that battery. Here comes a clip of the receipt soon. You'll get $70 back, $69.83, which will bring this light down to $100. Here's the receipt here. Now a lot of people are saying keep the 6 amp hour battery because you're going to need it with this Rocket Light. It uses a lot of battery capacity, a lot of battery power. I'm gonna tell you, return that battery, and I'll leave a link in the description of a Waitley 9 amp hour M12 battery, and I'm telling you, it's a legit 9 amp hour battery. I did a runtime test on my M12 fuel wet dry vac. Check that video out. I'll leave a link in the description for that also. It is a legit 9 amp hour battery. Usually these aftermarket batteries ain't what they say they are amp hour wise, but I can attest Waitley's really is. So I'm gonna make another video of the other Milwaukee deals. They got some safety glasses also for like $8. I picked me up a pair of them. But this here, the Rocket Light for $100, I believe that is the lowest price we've seen this Rocket Light at ever. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.